Okay, financial accounting and some of the configuration will happen at this level, parallel valuation approaches. This is equal for MM and FI. It applies to MM and FI and other modules. Let's check that. T46. T46 is not made. T46. Now, what is currency valuation? Valuation is of the material when it is valuated. If there are multiple companies working with other currencies in other countries, then material will be valuated in foreign currency also. If plants are located in another country like Unilever, then currency and valuation helps. Then currency and valuation profile is basically part of necessary configuration, which is very important. 6. Find currency, profile to controlling area. Controlling area 6. 6. INR. How come it's INR? Yeah, save, save. Okay, you can change the currency. Why? Because plants can be operating in another country and you will evaluate your material based on plant. And plant can be operating in another country or under another currency jurisdiction or is reporting in another jurisdiction. There are 3 types of valuation. Profit center valuation, profit center level valuation, group, and company code level valuation. Legal valuation, group valuation, and profit center level valuation. Every valuation level can have a different currency. Okay, legal is on company code level. Rest group is on group with group chart of accounts. And profit center level is basically related with costing. Plan actual version, controlling area setting, version 0, settings for each fiscal year. Okay, the controlling area is different. OKKS is the T code. X. Okay, create versions. Controlling area settings. Version 46. LP01. Enter. Continue. Execute. PRO. Yes. Parallel valuation, multiple valuation. Define valuation, we'll do this later. Activation, transfer prices, valuation approach. Okay. Integration of controlling. Define ledger for CO version. DD 46. Entries. DD 46 version 0. Zero version is for capturing plan and actual entries and amounts. Zero L is, what is zero L? Zero L is the leading ledger. There is only one leading ledger across the whole of SAP. There can be other extension and standard ledgers. Zero L is just one. Versions can be multiple, 0, 1, 2, 3, and so on. Version 0 captures plan and actual values. What is plan and actual? When you're planning to build a material, a raw material to semi-finished good or finished good, there will be planned values that this expense, this much expense is planned, this much overhead is planned, this much material input and consumption is planned, and then you compare it with actual, what happened in actual, how much expenses were incurred, how much material was used, and then you compare both. Okay, that's the version. Save. Okay, this is done. Intercompany. Okay, we don't need that right now. Parallel valuation is done. Here, okay, logistics general, material master, basic settings, material types, but before that, global settings. Okay, okay. Um, in global settings, we have some indicators. Status dependent at table level, no administrative data. Status means current status, whether material is locked or not locked or available or not, that is the status. Standard document type DRW. And what other document types do we have? Okay, DRW, design drawing. There can be any document type that we can assign. Okay, right now it's default DRW. Standard country for retail. This is for retail solutions. And it is Germany. RFC destination, if your material is being captured from third-party software like POS or any other clocking software.
We, excuse me. We can also add a new country detail document type,
Yes, we can.
and how we can create.
Document type. Document types are by default given by SAP, but you can create your document types as well. You can go from here, create values. But why do you want to create it? That's the question. There is a need because SAP covers everything. So you don't
It
actually
can be
need.
a need for any organization.
Yeah. It can be created for any organization at any level. Define document types. IMG activities, define document types. This is how you can create document types. Okay. Here, status change. Status means from PO, from RFQ to PR, PR to PO. And reverse assignment. Reverse assignment can be checked. Okay. Reverse assignment with revision levels. Document with, if a document is being revised for PO, for PR, that can be recorded too. Revision automatic assigned document. The first time document is released with reference to a change number. You must activate revision level assignment. You don't need this usually because SAP allows you to change a document as many times as you want. Okay. Version assignment. Version is again plan actual. Other than that, again, this is again based on your client requirements. Document status. What is the document status? With this document type, number ranges are assigned. Suppress field, display field, optional, required. You want to show this document or not? Again, that's up to your client processes, user. Again, you want to show this field or not? Again, it's up to you. Version sequence. Now, version sequence is draft version, saved version, authorized version. You can put this versions over here. Class type. What kind of class? Class is basically used for ABAP. Document management, document configurable object. This is for ABAP. So this is how you can create your document types. Okay. Okay, X distribution chain pricing reference material X distribution out when it is actually sent out of the storage, then pricing of material is also affected. Distribution chain specific price reference material. Again, this is related to logistics. Whether this can be used for follow-up material. Follow-up material is raw, raw material to semi-finished good. Semi-finished good is follow-up material. Reference material for consumption. If there is production happening, a previous material can be used for this document type, and so on. There are many other checks that can be assigned. Then again, it depends on client process. Moving ahead. Okay, global settings, maintain company codes for material management. Srinivasa. Okay, someone else is also using it. T46 year, we have to use this company, this transaction code, OMSY. This is very important, but still you can actually. BT46, Excel at large. What's this? Okay. Material types. Define attributes. Let's go to another thing. Attributes of material types. Okay, material types can be broadly raw material, semi-finished good, finished good. Okay. ROH. ROH is material type, raw material. We can copy this and we can say ROHP. Raw materials. Packaging. Okay. Packaging. ROHP. Product type group. What can be the product type group? Material, service, or subscription. Okay, whether it is a material, whether it's service or subscription, we'll use the default. Okay, field reference ROH. Material type will be ROH. We'll see the material type. Um, Material group, sorry. Okay, item category group. What item category it is? Item category is make to order, configurable service, product list, leasing, empties. We'll keep it empty. We will not hard code it here. X plant material status means when plant to plant material is being transferred and it changes its valuation and can be used for further production. Block for procurement because one material is sent out of the plant for production to another plant. It can be blocked for procurement so other entities cannot use it. 02 is blocked for task list or BOM. BOM is bill of material. So this material cannot be used in bills of materials when it is under production. Again, this is again based on client requirement. Authorization group is for users. Only users having this authorization group in their logins will be able to use material type. Material is configurable. Configurable like in automobiles. A small part is being manufactured which will be used in manufacturing trucks or cars. That material is part of configuration. Material production configuration. Okay, now which departments will be used and represented in material type? All of these. This we'll see when we will make a material. Okay. Material master record for a process allows material for this material type to define a material for process in which there may be co-products. Co-products can be byproducts. Okay. So this is for process orders like chemicals. For a material of this kind, you can define bills of material with co-products. However, the materials are not adopted as an order item. Okay, this is for process orders. And pipeline mandatory, this is for lubricant industry where material is being procured and processed like beverages. That is pipeline where supplies cannot be cut or stopped. Okay, F1, returnable packaging logistics is mandatory. This thing is specified that every good movement of returnable packaging inventory, the movement is automatically posted to appropriate returnable packaging account. Okay, some materials, their packaging has to be returned, so the relevant GL account will be reversed and activated. Manufacturer part, is this being material being manufactured as manufacturer's part, which is going to be used for finished product? Then this check will be used. FF class flags the material type as FF class. form fit function, grouping of interchangeable which are identical in respect of all they are technically relevant for form fit and function. Is used as a link to group inventory managed manufacturer parts which are interchangeable in procurement. Every FF class is internally in system by a part with material. This means there is a part that has many variations, like Japan made, Taiwan made, but it's the same thing. Okay, so if it is a procured manufacturer part, it will have variations. You are ordering from Taiwan, you are ordering from China and Japan for automobile production. So this is how you can configure your material type, which is ROHP. Apply. Okay. Valuation area. Okay. Valuation area will be cause consistencies, but valuation area will be different. Okay. ROHP valuation DT46. Your plant is your valuation area. Okay. For quantity updating, value updating, pipeline maintaining this for lubricants and beverages. We are not, because we will have a quantity, not continuous supplies. Pipeline allowed, no pipeline not allowed, because we're making something tangible product, not a liquid. Okay. Okay, this is done. This is also necessary check. Raw material. Okay. Assign material type to special create transactions. Material type special create, which means making raw material. Let's see. Okay. Material type. New entries. X ROHP or P. Solid finish for trading goods. RHP does not exist. An entry already exists with the same key. Semi-finished good product packaging. We have to assign a group of semi-finished good product. Everything will actually configure here. What will do non-valuated service ROH? You can use ROHP. Okay. Save. Okay. Define for ROHP, we will define a interval in number range intervals, and we have 07 30 3000 310. Okay, we can use 14. Display groups. Okay, ours is ROHP. ROHP. Change the group. Page down. Find element. Page up. Up. 14. Okay. Assign element to group. So HP 14. Purpose. And element. Now HP. You can use 14, this one or this one, but we will use ROHP 14. Assign element. And this is element, and we have to assign to group interval. Change the group. Hmm. And group, group is in of save. Page down. ROHP. Okay. ROHP has been copied. Okay. Material type is done. Basic settings. Material type done. next stage. Yes. Material law. See, faster. Oops. Material master. Keeping instruction value. No, we don't want it. Oops. Purchasing. We can create for ROH. We can create for semiconductor. We can create for finished good. Okay. And this can be used for different purchasing groups for material types. Okay. Actually looking for that part. Anyways,